Hello Kansas educators, this is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to look at some of the basics of Zoom. But first I want to point out to you the Facebook group Kansas Educators. You can see the URL for it right up here at the top. It's an outstanding group. We are so blessed by Ginger Lumen in this state for her leadership as we have discussions around our continuous learning plan and how we're helping students learn online in the coming days. This first tab I have open here is zoom.us, and you'll notice that I have a sign up it's free button right here in the top right. If you don't have an account yet, this is where you need to start. So we're going to click to sign up, it's free, and you're going to enter your work email address, your district email address, and then click to sign up. It's going to send you an activation email. You definitely want to check your spam, as it's possible that that would end up in your spam console as opposed to your inbox, but it should come relatively quickly, and then you can activate your account and set up a password for yourself. Your next step is to download the most recent version of this application. I was actually kind of surprised that I didn't have that, as I use this product all the time. And so I went to add or remove programs today here on my Windows machine, and I had Zoom 4.5. And you'll notice here that the current version as of 3/25 at 4:38 p.m. is 4.6.8. Now I'm sure that will change as the weeks move on, but you definitely want to download the most current version so that the tutorials that you look at make sense to you. So once you've got that downloaded, it will be an execute file. You'll just click to install it, and it'll walk you through the steps. Then you'll have this software on your computer, and you'll be able to find it at any time from your start menu. If you scroll through your start menu to the Z's, you'll have a folder here for Zoom, and you'll be able to start Zoom, and you'll end up with this software. If you're going to generate a new meeting right on the spot, it's what Zoom calls an instant meeting. I'm going to click here on New Meeting, and once this loads, I have a choice of whether or not to join with computer audio or to test speaker or microphone. We'll look at some of those testing options in a future video, but right now I'm going to join with computer audio. And then I have the option to click to invite participants. When I do this, I can either pick from my current contacts, send an email with my default email or Gmail or Yahoo, or, and this is one I think teachers will find super valuable, I can copy the URL, because then I can paste it into my LMS, whether I'm using Canvas or Google Classroom or Seesaw, whatever tool is best for me and my students. If I click to copy URL, I can now paste that into my learning management system, and my Zoom link will then be available to my students. Thank you all for joining me today. In future videos, we'll look at a lot of other features that you'll be able to utilize here inside of Zoom. Thanks, and have a great day.